In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Confessions bot on Discord. If you want to let members of your Discord server submit anonymous messages, a Confessions bot is a great way to make that possible. It's commonly used in community servers, school groups, gaming communities, and other social spaces where members may want to share thoughts, feedback, or confessions without revealing their identity. In this tutorial, I'll show you the basic process of setting up a Confessions bot so it's ready to use in your server. To begin, open your web browser and visit the official page for the Confessions bot. Once you're there, select the option to add the bot to Discord. If prompted, sign into your Discord account and choose the server where you want to set up the bot. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to add bots and manage the server. After selecting your server, review the permissions requested by the bot and authorize them so it can function correctly. Complete the verification process if one appears. Once authorization is complete, the bot will automatically join your server. Next, return to Discord and open the server where you added the bot. You should now see the Confessions bot listed among your server members, confirming that it has been added successfully. The next step is to configure the bot. Depending on the version of the bot you're using, this is usually done by using / commands directly in your server. Begin typing a / in any channel where you have permission to use bot commands, and select the appropriate setup or configuration command from the list that appears. Follow the setup prompts provided by the bot. During this process, you'll choose the channel where anonymous confessions will be posted. Be sure to select the correct channel so submitted messages appear in the intended location. Once you've finished the configuration, the Confessions bot is ready to accept anonymous submissions. Members can use the bot's available commands or interface to send confessions, and the bot will post them anonymously in the channel you selected during setup. Before announcing the feature to your community, it's a good idea to submit a test confession yourself. This allows you to confirm that the bot is working properly and that messages are appearing in the correct channel. If everything looks good, your server is ready to start using anonymous confessions. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Confessions bot on Discord, making it easy for your community to share anonymous messages in a safe and organized way. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.